welcome back today for a brand new video. We are doing a Sephora haul. I'm so excited to share with you guys some items I recently picked up at Sephora, and maybe you can get some ideas for the upcoming Sephora savings event. So let's go ahead and get started. Before I do start with the Sephora haul, I do want to thank Top Cashback for working with me again on this video. I always love partnering with them. If you have not heard of Top Cashbacks, they are a cashback website where you receive cashback on products and purchases that you are already making. They have over 4,000 retailers, and it's very easy to sign up, very easy to use. All you have to do is go to topcashback.com and then go ahead and just search the retailer that you are looking for. So in this case, we are looking about Sephora. So they do have cashback at Sephora as well as a ton of other retailers. Like I said, they have over 4,000. What's great about Top Cashback is they also work directly with the retailers, so you can actually get a higher percentage of cashback compared to some of the other competitors. I'm gonna pop up on the screen really quickly how you use Top Cashback. They also have a Chrome browser extension, which is really helpful. So when you're on sites that do offer cashback, you'll get a little bump up in the corner that tells you to go ahead and click there to receive it. And it's also really great at finding coupons as well. I love it for that. Top Cashback is offering a special sign up bonus. So down below, I will have a link. You can sign up there. You will receive $10 off your first $25 purchase using Top Cashback. It's a great way to save an additional amount of money if you are not already signed up. Before we do start, I just want to tell you some info about the Sephora savings event. So the Rouge is going to be at 20% off. They are shopping November 5th through the 15th. Then you have your VIB, which is a smaller tier down. That one is 15%. They will be shopping November 9th through the 15th. And then you have your Insider, which is pretty much anyone can join the Insider. You get 10%, and that runs November 11th through the 15th. So I do want to say I have mostly everything on my face today that I am showing you in this haul. So I have a few small mini reviews on everything. First up, I have the retro palette from Natasha Denona. I did end up grabbing this one. I've been eyeing it. I love my Glam palette from her. I actually put it in my Sephora recommendations video, so check that one out if you have not already. I offer a bunch of recommendations to you, products that I've been loving, but I love my Glam palette, so I went ahead and decided to get the retro palette as well. And I do have it on my eyes, and I love the way that this eye look came out. It's a really pretty palette. I think if you like pinks, then you're gonna really like this one. It has a really nice color story. You have a lot of pinks and also some deeper reds and stuff. It's a little deeper than I actually thought it was going to be, but I am looking forward to using this. I think I'll create a lot of really nice looks, especially for fall, winter time. So I was excited to get that. And then I told you guys in my wish list video that I was really interested in this set from Laneige, so I did end up grabbing it. It's $18, and you get 5 different mini sleep masks in here. I love the Laneige sleep mask, so I think that this is a great deal, especially if you're getting a discount on top of that. So the one I tried today was the gummy bear flavor, and it tasted and smelled so nice on the lips, so definitely recommend that. But they also have in here just their original, and then you have the sweet candy, lemon sorbet, and then there's also a mint in here. So I'm excited to try out the rest of them. And the minis are great as well because I feel like you can get a lot of use out of these, or you can also gift them to friends. You can put some in stockings and do something like that if you wanted to try one for yourself and gift some of them. That's always a good option. Next up, I have a foundation. I'm actually wearing this on my skin right now, and I feel like my skin looks pretty good. I am really so far impressed with this. This is the Bounce Skin Tint Always On Radiant Skin Tint from Beauty Blender. I have mine in the shade Light 3. I actually saw this going a little bit viral on TikTok, which is why I wanted to grab it. I have been really enjoying skin tints lately, and when I saw this one on TikTok, I was like, I think I might like that. And I do think it looks really nice on the skin. I only applied a small amount. I think I did 1 dropper of this. It is a dropper. I only did 1 dropper, and that was enough for my full face. I definitely feel like it has really nice coverage. It's not too, full coverage or anything like that. It definitely has more of a light to medium, but I do feel like it covered really nicely. It looks nice and radiant on my skin like it claims. I think I'm really gonna like this one. I think the shade match is perfect for me. Again, I got Light 3 if you're similar shade match to me. I think that's a great shade match, and this one wasn't too bad. I think it was right around the $20 range, so with a discount it would also be good as well. And then I did pick up another foundation. This was on sale, so this is from Fenty, and this is their Pro Filt'r Hydrating Longwear foundation. I got the shade 150. This has been one that I've been curious about for a long time, and I saw it was on sale, and so I wanted to grab it. I think I paid $18 for it, and I've always heard really good things about this one. I've heard that people like it a lot, especially people with dry skin, and I typically do have oily skin, but lately my skin has been leaning a little more dry, so I've been wanting to try it for so long. When I saw it was on sale, I was like, let me give it a go. I haven't tried this one out yet, but I am very excited to do so. I wonder why it's on sale. I was kind of like, why is it going to be on sale? Maybe they're going to like repackage it or something, because I think it's a $36 foundation, I want to say, and it was $18. So that's a pretty like steep discount. So hopefully this is still on sale during the Sephora event, because you could get a sale on top of a sale, which would be great. And then the lipstick that I had on is the one you guys all told me I needed. I got the K.I.S.S.I.N.G lipstick in the shade Penelope from Charlotte Tilbury. I went ahead and did it, and I will say it's a pretty shade, but honestly I just got this because it's my daughter's name, Penelope, and I just wanted to get that shade. But it is pretty. I do like it. It's like more of like an orangey terracotta type of nude. This formula feels really nice so far on the lips. Here is what the shade Penelope looks like. I have it on with my Huda Beauty lip liner that I do really enjoy. So I'm happy about this one. I wouldn't say that it's like my favorite color per se, because I normally lean like more pink when it comes to my nudes, but I do think it's really nice, especially with the lip liner I have it paired with, and I just think it's cute packaging on this too. Very luxe, very pretty. This is something that I grabbed that was newer that I was very curious about. So this is from Iconic London. It's called their Precision Duo. It has a contour and then also a bronzer kind of in here. It's supposed to be, what is this? Duo Contour Pot. It says contour, but I feel like on me it's like more of a bronze shade. I do have it on right now, and I think it looks pretty nice in the skin. It looks very natural. So it's a duo product, and it is pretty small. So I will say it's a little bit small, but I don't mind it. So it has inside of here a powder up on top. So you have like a contour powder. Like I said, used it more as a bronzer. And then on the bottom, I do feel like the packaging is a little hard to open, but on the bottom you have a cream contour as well. So I got mine in the shade Light Shadow is what it says. And I think this is nice. I think I'll get a lot of use out of it. I haven't really had a product that from Iconic London's like face products I don't like. I feel like they do face products really well. I've really been liking their new, it's like their dewy skin tints really nice. So I saw this on there and I was like, I kind of want like a new easy everyday type of bronzer contour product. So I thought this was perfect, and I do actually like the size of it. I know I said it's small, but I kind of like it for just like my everyday makeup bag. I've been a little bit more minimalistic with my collection lately. I mean, I have a massive collection, let's be honest, but with like my everyday stuff that I have upstairs when I'm like getting ready, I have kept like a smaller bag of that. So I added that to that, and I'm excited to continue to use it. I also got from Milk Makeup, this is called their Hydro Grip Eye Primer, and I have been using this one and I actually really like it. I've been using it on my under eyes actually instead of like as an eye base. You guys know I love my CoverGirl eye base, but I've been using this on my under eyes, and I actually haven't even been setting them because I do feel like it has been helping with creasing. So I deal with a lot of creasing in my under eyes. I do have quite large wrinkles under there, and I think that this does help with the creasing. So what I do is I just apply it, and then I kind of just pat it out first, and then I put my concealer over top. And I do feel like it sticks a little bit better, and it does help kind of make my concealer last a little bit longer as well. So I'm happy with this purchase. I know it was a little bit pricey, and I'm wondering how long this is gonna last me because I am using it like daily, but I'm not mad at it. I think it works really well. And then I also grabbed the Natasha Denona Mini Metropolis palette. You guys have, if you have not seen, I do have a full review on this little one. I ended up grabbing this with the 20% discount. I'm very happy that I got this one. I think it is a really pretty palette, and it's a fun color story. I love this emerald shade in the middle. I think it's really cute. So if you want to see my full review on that, you can check this out. It does come with a little brush as well. So it is $25, so great to grab an additional discount on that one as well. Sephora actually sent me a 20% off coupon to my email like prior to this, like the event going on. So that's why I like had this haul going up a little bit earlier, which I was happy about because I was like, okay, I'm gonna get it like before everyone else. I don't know what happened there, but I wasn't gonna complain. So that's all like the big items I got, and then I have a bunch of like smaller samples that I ended up getting. So first off, I have the Tatcha water cream. This is something that I love. I actually have a full size of this. It's really great for using it before you do your makeup because I do feel like it minimizes your pores and it kind of just smooths everything out. It leaves your skin nice and hydrated. So this is one that I went through like minis of, and I've also I haven't went through my full size, but I do have a full size of it. So I think it's a really great moisturizer. If you do have oily skin, I think this is great as well. So I got that one. I think it was a gift with purchase, I believe this was. So I grabbed that when I saw that. And then I also got, this was $100 or not $100, but 100 point perk, and it is the Olaplex No. 3 Hair Perfector. So I just grabbed this one. It was, like I said, 100 points, and I bet this is enough probably for like one use, but I know Olaplex, the No. 3, is a pretty pricey product, and I have been using it and I have been enjoying it. So I thought I would grab this one and just, you know, use it up while I can. And then I also got with my points, some YSL lippies. I actually made 2 different orders, so I forgot that I got one of these with my 100 points, and I think I got the same one again, so there's that. But this was an offer, and I like the YSL lipstick, so I grabbed this. So here is what it looks like. This was, again, a 100-point perk, and I thought the color looked really pretty. And it's a pretty decent size, I'd say. So let me show you guys a swatch here. Yeah, this is what I was meaning when I was like, I kind of like the more pinky nudes. Like, I really like this color. This is in 70, and it's the Brogue Pure Contour color. So there's that one that I got. Again, that was a 100-point perk, so if it's still available, you can grab that. And then, I don't know, I'm guessing this is the same color. 70, yeah. I picked up the same color, so I guess I'll just have 2 of those, or I'll give this one to a friend, but it's kind of nice to get YSL as a point perk. And then I also just have in here, lastly, Laneige lip sleeping mask. This was one of like the little samples that they threw in here, so I'll use this because it's just like enough for one nightly use, so I will use that as well. But that is everything that I got from Sephora, so I will have links to every single one of these products down below if you want to add them to your Sephora cart for the event, or you want to favorite them. Check them out. I will, like I said, link them, and then I'll also link down below my $10 off 25 from Top Cash Back. Make sure to sign up for that. Thank you so much to them for working with me again on this video, and I will see you all very soon with a brand new one. Thanks for watching.